Uh, yeah. They see the sky, we see the grind. And that's every time I ride through the city lights. Skyscrapers glowing in the night, glass shining like it built itself. But I know somebody dusted that shell. Every time I sit down at a 5-star play, I ain't just eating, I calculate. Who wipe the counters, who mop that floor, who locked up last when they closed that door. I don't just see buildings, I see big. I see payroll, invoices, kids. I see contracts stacked in a file. I see ownership in every tie. They don't see us, but they need us. Every blessing got a broom behind it. Every shine got a grind aligned with it. If it's shining in the city, we clean it. If it's fresh and they love it, we see it. From the hood to the high-rise glass, we turn mops into $1 million cash. If it's shining in the city, we own it. Every contract, yeah, we own it. See a building, I see a bid. You see a table, I see my kid. You see a table, I see my kid. Pull up suited, clipboard ready. Face strong, nerve steady. I ain't hoping, I'm pitching. I ain't dreaming, I'm bidding. Every lobby I walk through, I'm thinking that contract due. Every hallway marble clean, I'm calculating what that means. Stop playing small, that's fear talk. You one cold call from a year pop. One walk through from a breakthrough. One yes from a whole new revenue. Don't admire it, acquire it. Don't just see it, inquire it. That skyscraper ain't out your reach. You just want proposal from your speech. God gave me vision with a vacuum in it. Gave me purpose with a mop in a minute. This ain't just cleaning, this kingdom work. We restore order where there was dirt. Every wipe is excellence. Every sweep is evidence. That discipline and consistency turns a rival into legacy. If it's shining in the city, we clean it. If it's fresh and they love it, we seen it. From the hood to the high-rise glass, we turn mops into $1 million cash. If it's shining in the city, we own it. Every contract, yeah, we own it. You see a building, I see a bid. You see a table, I see my kid. Yeah, we own it. $1 million cash. Yes. So next time you see skyline, don't just admire it. Ask yourself, why not mine? If it's shining in the city, we cleaned